Assemble the drone body inside the case. Thanks to the quick release structure, the assembly is completed in just a minute. Install the payload and battery. It supports mounting one gimbal and a combined loudspeaker spotlight device simultaneously. Maximum endurance time is 100 minutes. Install the main rotor blades. The quick-release foolproof design simplifies the preparation process while enhancing flight safety. Assemble the communication base station. Maximum communication range is 15 kilometers. Maximum flight range is 70 kilometers. Take out the handheld controller and power on all devices. Ready for flight. Connect to the drone and open the route planning function to plan a flight route. Set the route type based on the flight environment and operational task. After completing the route planning, open the waypoint list and action command to waypoint 4. Currently, there are 6 command options available. The rich set of commands supports various application scenarios. We choose the Jump to Waypoint command, which allows the route to repeat. Click the Terrain Evaluation button to assess whether the planned route has any risk of terrain collision. It will show potential collision points and suggested waypoint altitudes. If there is no risk, no information will be displayed. After completing the settings, upload the route to the drone. Exit the route planning interface and conduct a payload check. Gimbal control, loudspeaker, and lighting functions. The loudspeaker supports both text-to-speech and real-time voice. Volume can be adjusted at any time.
Hello world. Hello world.
Lighting supports both continuous and strobe modes. Brightness and strobe frequency are adjustable in real time. The lighting gimbal angle can be manually adjusted or set to follow the gimbal angle. Open flight settings to check return altitude, lost signal return, obstacle avoidance, low battery protection, joystick mode, and other safety settings. Parameters can be customized for different users and scenarios. Ready to unlock for flight. Tap the unlock button and slide the slider to the right to unlock. For one key lock, landing, and other operations, slide in different directions to avoid safety risks caused by muscle memory. Ensures maximum flight safety. Wait for the rotor blades to reach takeoff speed. Take off manually or automatically. The drone has taken off. Now you can perform operations according to the actual task requirements. Manual or automatic flight freely selectable. The Shadow S3 is equipped with the 10x zoom tri-sensor gimbal, supporting AI recognition and tracking, laser ranging, and 5 types of thermal imaging pseudo-color modes. During flight, you can freely switch between automatic and manual flight modes. During automatic route flight, you can still control the gimbal or other mounted equipment without affecting automatic flight. You can also switch to manual control at any time. Mission complete. Returning home,